Hi friends, today I would like to talk about the words sympathy and empathy. These words sound very similar and are confused very often. Still, they are not synonyms. Actually, I used to replace them one another. But after watching the video by the famous writer Brené Brown on these words, I understood clearly what is sympathy and what is empathy, the difference between those words. It helped me a lot, especially in my difficult times, to find out, to identify who are my real friends, who are acting like my real friends. It's okay. So sympathy is feeling of pity and sorrow for someone else's misfortune, while empathy is actually understanding what the other person is feeling. Simply, we are able to put ourselves in their shoes. When we empathize with someone, we are not just recognizing their emotional state, we literally experiencing it, stepping into their shoes and viewing the world through their lens. Sympathy does not require one to feel the same emotions as the other person. It is most of the time judgmental rather than viewing the situation in other person's lens. Sympathy is often conveyed through expression of care and comfort, such as sending a condolence card or offering words of encouragement during a difficult time. Both are heartfelt and honest feelings, but empathy is somewhat a deeper one. Empathy is a key ingredient in building strong and lasting relationships. It forms human connections. It is related to mindful listening to the other person rather than judgmental. So, knowing the meaning and the benefits of empathy is very useful in our daily life. These are the thoughts all about uh, share with you about empathy. I would like to share more about the experiences related to this word. Uh, Maybe I will try to share with you in the upcoming videos. So, friends, how is my drawing and how are my thoughts? And please let me know if any thoughts you have around the word empathy in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel How to Draw Step by Step. Thank you.